Hi there, Philip. In our last conversation, you showed me how you wanted to make an edit to the World Quest e-magazine page on the Shopify store. So in this video, I just wanted to show you what the process of editing a specific page looks like, so that way you're able to make any quick edits you might need or want depending on the situation. So what you see now and how the website is, go to Business Resources, click on World Quest Magazine. It takes you to this dummy filler page here. Now, just like with any of the pages, I would suggest going through them, and as we gain more clarity on how we want to design the website, really put thought and intent into each specific page to make sure that it provides the right amount of content, the right layout so that people will click it, and the right links so that it guides them along the process of whatever funnel you want to put them through. So as of right now, it just has a basic picture of what it looks like. It's a magazine that can be seen on mobile devices and web, and it just says it's a digital magazine for a global professional. So let's go ahead and add it so that way, instead of just showing those items, currently if you click on this, it'll take you to the World Quest Magazine uh, first edition, and instead let's make it so that way we have a picture for edition 1 and edition 2. So first we're going to want to find the specific page within the Shopify admin. To pull up a product page in the Shopify admin, you want to click on Online Store, navigate to Pages in the secondary vertical menu. Let this load here. From pages, you see we've got many of them, and this number of pages will probably triple by the time that you're done, figuring out an ideal layout and system behind the links. For right now, let's just look for the World Quest magazine. And what this search does is it searches not just the titles of each page, but also the content. There's World Quest magazine. Let me know you want changes to World Quest e-magazine. So making that update is as simple as typing in the new title on the top. You see here you can change the pictures. So here's a Mag Titan page for the first screen. And let's navigate to the first story, which is Trials and Tribulations of Doing Business with China. So for the sake of simplicity, I am just going to screenshot this picture right here. Right now I'm using the tool Microsoft OneNote 2015. I don't believe it's available anymore. Microsoft has since removed this tool, but I've got it right now and it's fully awesome. So until they remove it from my computer, I'll keep using it. There are other screen clipping tools. I would suggest that you have access to the real information, like the real pictures that they have from the page, to just upload them to the website. Now, I'm going to have to be a bit creative in how I save that screenshot. This part you don't have to worry about. There's many ways you can do it. I just, for being quick, I'm just giving you the example of how to make this happen. So what I'm going to do personally, so that way I don't have access to those images specifically, is just put in the Word document, save it to my computer, and then from my computer I will throw it onto the website. So pardon the interruption here. Later on, when I get more sophisticated at knowing how to edit videos, this is something that I would simply edit out. But I don't know how to do that right now. So I'm going to just do this. Downloads, World Quest 1. Alright, so that's the first World Quest magazine. And then let's go to the link you sent me in the email that has access to the second World Quest magazine page. And what I'll do here is, while that's loading, so just click on this top bar. It says Insert Image. Again, just like an email. We'll upload that same picture that I saved to my downloads. As you can see, my computer is very, very sad. It was a $300 computer from like 4 years ago, and it has definitely been beaten up over the years. Appreciate your patience. All right, perfect. There is World Quest 1. So we'll let that upload. While that's uploading, I will multitask and come back over here and screenshot the second edition. World Quest. Actually, it's the whole thing. Includes wrong assumptions. So again, well actually, but the story is not about doing business in India. So instead, I will get the actual story. Boom, here it is. Brazil Business Basics. Just like before. I'll save the image. Call it World Quest 2. Oh shoot, wrong folder. Go ahead and upload that. We'll insert. Here you'll see image alt text. This is used for SEO. Basically, it's just if you were blind, how would you describe the picture? That's what you type in here. So we see executive boardroom style meeting that shows business people talking under the Chinese and American flags. Insert the image. So we've got, and then we can say, oh, oops. So I want to add a title, so that'll be Q4 2016. Let's make this bigger by making it heading 1. Let's make it bold and underlined. So it's super important. And let's go a step further and even make this a link. So add the hyperlink that we have here. Let's have it open in a new window so that way people stay on your page. The link title is for SEO, so this will be, we'll call it World Quest Magazine Q4-2017. No, excuse me, 2016. Let's do the opposite. 2016-Q4. Link. We'll do the exact same link here for the picture. New. Oh, I forgot what I linked to. World Quest Magazine 2016-Q4. And let's see here. Let me make this whole thing a hyperlink. Let's fix that. And actually put e-magazine. Alright, perfect. So now you see that we just added the first Q4 there. The video is about to end. I've only got 10 minutes, so I'm just going to go ahead and save this and show you what it'll look like. So once that finishes saving, here's the original page. Let's see if that updated. We'll refresh the screen and see that there we are, Q4 2016, Trials and Tribulation of Doing Business in China. And if I click on it, it takes me to the World Quest magazine page. So later on, I would suggest getting more intricate designing and laying out this web page so it's super beautiful and easy to navigate. Right now, it's just a placeholder so that way you can be as creative as you like as you move forward. Thanks for watching this video, and in the next video, I will continue to show you how to make edits to the Shopify website.